Hey, what's up guys, Yudat here. Today we're going to talk about legs. Alright, so your legs is very important in your dance. Why? It's basically, this is what you use on a regular basis even when you are not dancing. So you depend on your legs to walk, so you depend on your legs as well to dance. So now we're gonna see different technique that you can use, things that you are already doing on a regular basis like walking, jumping, sliding with your legs, but this time we're gonna use them in a way that you can integrate them in your dance. All right, so without further ado, let's dive into the content. Okay, so it's actually a good thing if we are not too many, because I'm gonna have more time to kind of get to know you better, guys, and also trying to help as much as I can. Yeah, especially with that kind of stitching. So here's how I see it. When it's come to legs, right, instead of giving you like different moves or different different movement that we could repeat over and over again, instead we're gonna just focus on different techniques. And actually they're not really techniques, because these are the things that you are already doing in your dance, or on a regular basis you do them without dancing, and we're gonna find ways to utilize them in order to develop your footwork much more, right? So what I'm talking about is, for my footwork, I focus on 4 things right now. It's 4 or 3, I'm gonna find out now. So it's jumping, yeah, slide, yeah. So for jumping, I call it flight feet. Yeah, so it's just, you know, because the fact that we keep on jumping, so I call it flight feet. Slide, I call it slippery feet. Yeah, so what I mean by slides, it's not just, you know, like Michael Jackson moonwalk and stuff like that. Anything can be slide. So just this is slippery feet. Yeah, so that's the second principle. The other one is light feet. What I mean by light feet is not the style, the actual style. Light feet is light feet, just the fact that you have a very light touch with the floor, right? And the last one is heavy feet. And heavy feet is when everything is flat. So instead of when you're walking, you walk like this, right? So it's heels, then tiptoe, right? But instead of that, everything is flat. So it's like you're walking like this. So it looks much more heavy, right? So we've got heavy feet, flight feet, slippery feet, and light feet.